Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create 4 flyers on a single page in Canva. It's really simple, so let's get started. To do this, make sure you're working on a square page. Before we begin, we need to unhide the ruler guidelines. To do this, go to File, then select Settings, and enable Show Rules and Guides. Once you enable rulers, now go to the center at 500, and in a similar way, drag the ruler to 500 or 540. Just drag it to the desired position and do the same with the other one. Maybe I'll do it like this and then resize it. Great, and I'll do the same with the second one, like this. And just resize it to match the exact size of the square. The same way, repeat for the last one. This is the remaining one. All right, let's go with this one. So, let's do it like this. All right, here we go. This is how you can make 4 flyers on one page in Canva. It's an easy process, and you can do it as well. If you have any questions or queries about this video, feel free to comment below. I'll answer all your questions and see you in the next video.